The muscle car shall live on. This 2000 Firebird Trans Am WS6 Performance Package convertible with a 5.7 liter 350 V8 engine. Out of state vehicle, this thing is gorgeous. Black top, black wheels, aftermarket exhaust, clean title vehicle, heavy duty brakes. It's got the infamous functional hood scoop, fog lights, running lights. As you can see, folks, this thing is clean. Take a look at these heavy duty cross grilled rotors. Here are the headlights. They both work. I want to show you the leather interior is in amazing shape. Let's show you the top. Top works great. Let's step on the gas, let you hear the quad exhaust. Beautiful. Take a look at this other side. It's got the factory floor mats. Rear seats are in nice shape. Let's take you guys on a short test drive and show you how the vehicle drives. Air conditioning blows cold. No warning lights. No misfire, no hesitation. It's got a real nice JVC sound system with the iPod connection and a USB. Change the stations here. Now it just so happens that we have another WS6. That's a white one. AC blows cold. The other one is a 2001 white with only 83,000 miles. As you can see, it's right over here. Beautiful car. White top as well. A muscle car. As you can see, the automatic transmission shifts correctly. Vehicle drives straight. There's no alignment issues. Front end is tight, very responsive. Newer tires, newer brakes. Matter of fact, these brakes stop on a dime. All the signals, all the gauges, all the lighting work. Windshield wipers. There isn't one thing that I didn't notice on this vehicle that doesn't work. Front end is tight. Very responsive. Beautiful bright red with the black top and the black wheels. Financing is available. All you have to do is fill up an online application for credit. Texas vehicle. That's why a little bit higher miles. Awesome car. Give us a call with any questions you may have regarding this or any other vehicle in our inventory, and we'll be happy to help you. We're located on Highway 13 right next door to McDonald's, across from Burzo Menards. As you saw, we have a lot of high performance vehicles for you to choose from. We even have a Chevy Corvette, that's a 2005, or even Mustangs. Thank you.